If you just received your resin lamp and the remote doesn't turn on the light, don't worry. Due to international shipping regulations, the remote control is shipped without a battery. You just need to insert a battery and it will work right away. Step 1. Open the battery cover on the back of the remote. Step 2. Insert a CR2025 battery with the correct positive, plus, and negative orientation. You can purchase it at any Walmart store. Step 3. Close the cover and press any button to test. And now your lamp lights up. Thank you for choosing our product. We hope you enjoy the warm and magical glow of your resin lamp.